Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to BONK video update today, and we now have BONK that has showed up. I've given you a bull flag, and we pretty much came to the technical target, but now we are kind of getting a little bit of a problem here. So number one problem that we have is a shooting star. So this shooting star means a reversal to the downside, unfortunately. So we might see Pepe visiting down 1649, but I'm actually not going to talk about Pepe today, and I'm going to keep it very simple and tell you that if you want to know what is about to happen to BONK, did I say Pepe? This is a BONK video, unfortunately, but if you want to know what is going to happen to BONK, I want you to go and watch the Bitcoin video on the channel. It's a 7 minutes video, because whatever the question you have for what's going to happen to BONK, you have to understand what's going to happen to Bitcoin first. And I think Bitcoin is about to drop down. And why do I think that? I've explained it for 7 minutes straight. And one more thing is that 5 more days to close the private. Even on the private, I actually switched to USDT yesterday, and I closed all the trades. And I said that I spotted a mysterious behavior from Bitcoin. So what is this mysterious behavior? Well, go back to learn a pattern that was printed out 100 years ago, and you will know that this was a plan since March to drop Bitcoin, and I'm going to give you proof as well. So to be a part of the private, scroll down, click on Discord, click on announcement, and click my name, message me over there, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.